here today with Jeff Phillips, the chairman of Varley Group, powerhouse in manufacturing space, large employer and provider of excellence in engineering for 138 years. To me, the Varley Group epitomised sovereign manufacturing.
We really only pivoted and transformed into, manufacturing towards the end of the 90s or very much at 2000, around a business plan that was built on creating and owning our own IP so we could build our own destiny, because we'd been through that period of the BHP closure. You were facing then the cheap imports coming from out of Asia. So we made that conscious decision then to develop our IP, own it, and then that got us on the path of becoming a growing manufacturing business in Australia.
That was a difficult time in the region. The steelworks was closing, hydro was closing, and you actually presented an Australian Industry Group forum to businesses and leaders on what the future looked like, and your presentation was all about three options that we faced in the region. That was to die, survive or thrive. And obviously the Varley Group's thrive, so I was interested in how did you apply that mantra?
It's in the area of identifying, I guess, those trends of where we see, future growth is going to occur, and then being able to make sure we shield ourselves against certainly offshore product by very much customising and making sure it's very unique for what the Australian customers need. If you look at the electric bikes, we want to get ahead of understanding the technology and build knowledge about where would we sit in that space.
Sit down and eventually relax at home at night. What gives you the most satisfaction or you're most proud of with the trajectory of the Varley Group?
Oh, there's a part of me that's never satisfied. That's why I guess this business still keeps growing and tackling new things. Satisfaction really comes from a couple of things. I see the pride in the employees. We've created a new industry and ecosystem here in the Hunter that never existed before. What's it going to look like when we turn 150? I think, we're going to see a lot more aspect and use of information and data. AI is coming, how that's going to be used. I see now, if you look at the products we build, the next evolution of our products will include, I think, a lot of data integration and, just being more intuitive through whether it's AI or robotics or that are going to be integrated into these products.
Thanks for unpacking the Varley Group business with me here today, Jeff. And I'd like to take the opportunity to inform you that the Varley Group has been inducted to the Hall of Fame this year at our HMA Awards for 2025. Well done on steering that.
Thank you. Thank you very much for that. That's a great honour.